Hey friends, I've got a super delicious recipe that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you're looking for a ketovore, carnivore friendly breakfast that is very filling, delicious, and easy to take on the go, you're gonna love this one. Full disclosure, I can't take credit for creating this recipe. I did find it off of Pinterest, and I will link that Pinterest link below to give the original author credit for that. It's been one of our go-to breakfast foods that we've been doing lately, and the reason that I'm making them today is because Isaac is actually about to embark on a 15-hour road trip to help his parents move from Florida to Texas. So he leaves tomorrow at like 4 a.m. and I want to make sure that he has plenty of road trip snacks and things that are carnivore friendly that he can just grab and go. And if you're new to our channel, the reason why we're eating this way is because Isaac and I were both diagnosed with autoimmune diseases over 10 years ago. He was diagnosed with Crohn's disease and I was diagnosed with Hashimoto's disease. And ever since then, we have just been on a journey to try and heal our bodies naturally with food, lifestyle, dietary changes, things like that. Last summer, if you followed along on our journey, we did the carnivore diet for over 100 days and saw huge success using that as an elimination diet. And so now we've been slowly introducing foods back in, and I'm currently almost 9 months pregnant, feeling really great. Isaac's health is doing amazing right now, so we're just super grateful. We want to keep that ball rolling. So let's get into the recipe. We're actually going to start with the filling, the egg filling that goes in these. And I'm going to do it in my Vitamix blender. You don't have to do it in a blender. You could just whisk it up, but it's just a lot faster and easier. So I'm going to do it that way, and I'll show you everything that's going to go in there. The ratios are super simple. It's just going to be 6 eggs, 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then whatever seasonings you want to season it with. I typically just stick with salt and maybe a little bit of pepper for seasoning, but you could add garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you can tolerate. We just try to keep it pretty simple around here. If you're not tolerating heavy whipping cream well, maybe you don't tolerate dairy well yet, you can certainly remove it. It's not necessary, but it does make our eggs super light and fluffy, so that's why we really like it. Now that our egg mixture is all ready to go, I'm gonna take some ground sausage and put it at the bottom of this muffin tin that I have here. I'm also gonna probably grease up the muffin tin just a little bit with maybe some butter so it doesn't stick. They pop out a little bit easier. And while we're getting the sausage ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get the oven preset to 350 degrees so that can start preheating. You could also do this with bacon if you wanted to, or ham, really any type of meat just to kind of be your base. Now that the egg mixture is on top of the sausage, I'm just gonna pop some cheddar cheese on top. I have this Tillamook, like little snacking cheeses that my kids love to eat, and I had a lot of extra. So I'm just gonna use what I have, but you can use whatever. You can shred your own cheese. You can use a different type of cheese. If you're not tolerating dairy well, you can just cut that out. Whatever you wanna use, customize it, make it your own, and then we're gonna pop these in the oven for just 20 minutes. Set a 20-minute timer.
Good afternoon, Caitlin. 20 minutes, starting now.
While we're waiting for those to cook, as promised, I'm gonna share some of his other road trip snacks that I got him for his 15-hour drive to Texas. All of these are pre-packaged snacks, which again, at home, we typically like to just make our own stuff. We know exactly what's in it, but these products and brands are very clean, and so we feel comfortable with him eating them on the road. Definitely a lot more convenient, and he won't have to stop nearly as much or get fast food, things like that. So some of the obvious ones, we'll probably send some, obviously the egg bites that we're making right now, probably some hard-boiled eggs because he will have a little cooler with him, and then maybe even some bacon to snack on. And for the packaged foods, we have these little grass-fed beef mini sticks. We get these from Costco. Absolutely love these. Our kids love them. They have 0 sugar, 4 grams of protein per stick, and they're very, very clean if you read the ingredients on the back. nothing sketchy or dodgy in them. So definitely love those. And then for just a different flavor, we got these from Sprouts. They were on sale, and anytime I see them on sale, I try to grab them. They do have cranberries in them, so it has like a hint of sweetness, but no added sugar or anything like that. So it's 7 grams of protein per serving, 100% grass-fed bison. These are just delicious. They have a lot of different flavors of these Epic bars, but these by far are our favorite flavor. Just for a little bit of sweetness, if he does get kind of snacky and wants something sweet, I got him these dehydrated nectarines. The only ingredient, if you can see that, here's the ingredients, nectarines, nothing else added. So this is just really convenient because they're dried. He won't be getting like nectarine juice all over him while he's driving. So you can kind of grab these and go. Another sweet treat because I love him and I want him to enjoy his road trip. These little chocolate bars by Hue. This is the hazelnut coffee dark chocolate. I only got him one because I know if I got him like more, he'd eat all of them. But so this is a special treat for him. But it has no refined sugar, no cane sugar, no sugar alcohols, no erythritol, no soy, gluten, no palm oil, no lecithins, no emulsifiers. These are organic, so just a really nice little treat for him to have. I know he's super excited about this because he does not eat stuff like this normally. And then last but not least, no surprise, you guys know we love our Element. So we're gonna be sending some Element sticks with him, especially if he starts getting tired. I'm sure he will grab a stick, pop it in his blender bottle, and drink one of these. Watermelon is his all-time favorite. So gonna be sending these with him as well. And just a reminder, if you've never tried Element and you want to, we have a link in the description. If you use our link, you will get a free sample packet with your first order. That is all for the road trip snacks. Comment below and let us know whenever you travel and you're trying to stick to a certain way of eating, what do you pack for your road trip snacks? Because we would love more ideas. We're gonna pop those egg bites out of the oven. I cannot wait, they smell so good. Look how delicious those came out. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell through the screen because these smell so good, so cheesy, so fluffy. Ugh, I'm gonna show you what they look like when they pop out of these little muffin tins. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Isaac just got home and I finished the muffins. Let's see if these are gonna be road trip approved.
Oh, these are for my road trip.
Yes.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Because I love you. All right, Isaac, let's test them.
Not good.
Good?
It's cheesy and eggy, and then sausage is just so good. We don't get enough sausage. And this will keep me going on the road.
All right, so check out the description below. I'll have the full recipe. I'll also link where I originally found it to give credit to where credit's due. And also our link for Element is down there below. I'll also include all the different ingredients that we use because we use certain sausage that we really like and certain cheese we really like. So hopefully you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to give us some ideas of road trip snacks that you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video.